So in this video we're making this taillight license plate assembly right here. Taillight license plate. And there's a white light underneath here that lights up the license plate. So our license plate can go on here just about like that. And I have this nice little light on it. And this is a 3-wire light, so it has running light and brake light all in one light. Alright, here's my license plate light that will light up the license plate. This is white. And so we got this funny little shape here to play with. We got to find a way to sort of holster this and secure this so that it will be directed onto our light. My solution starts with some square tubing. This is like 3/4 inch square tubing. I'm gonna have to trim these off. The screws are way too long in here. This is just what I had. Alright, so now we got a clipboard type thing going on here, but this is 14 gauge sheet metal. We need to get some weight off of this thing, so I've marked a couple holes here. I'm going to drill these things out with my step drill bit, and we'll see how far we can get into this thing. Alright, so this particular taillight that I'm using here, this is a 3-wire light. So you got the black, which is your negative, on this one. And then you've got the white and the red, which are two positive wires. So what that allows us to do on this particular light is have a running light and a brake light, both in one light. I'll show you how this works and attach the negative up to my little battery. And then as we touch the individual lights to the positive, you'll see what I'm talking about. So one of them is actually, you can see there's one, there's the other. I don't know if you can see on camera, one is brighter than the other one. All right, so there's your running light that's on all the time. And then when you do the brakes, see it gets brighter, running light, brake, running light, brake. And I will have this light linked in the description so you can go find it yourself. It's a very basic, cheap, it's a trailer light. Basically, it's all these things for like trucks and whatnot. All right, here we are. It is shaped out. We've lost a little bit of weight, and now my next thing is to get my little tail light, which is going to be this little tube here that we made earlier. Stick that guy on here. I'm going to mount it to this guy here so that it can come on and off the bike and sort of be part of that contraption there, like that. I'm going to find the center of this thing, stick that on there, and weld it on. I still need to shorten screws on here, but you get the idea of how I made this thing. And we'll further refine it a little bit as we go along, and especially when we get to actually wiring the bike, we'll do something more with the back side here. And in a previous video, which I'll link in the description, are these guys right here, which are the turn signals.